Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to automatically back up your data from one sheet to another sheet using Google Apps Script. We'll also generate unique entry ID and track when the data was backed up. If you're working with forms, logs, or any data that you want to keep safe and organized, this video is perfect for you. Okay, let's get started. First, we need two sheets inside the same Google spreadsheet. One called Main Sheet, so I renamed the first sheet. The second sheet called Backup Sheet. In both sheets, make sure your header match exactly. For this example, I'm using the following headers: Entry ID, Full Name, Email, Task, Status, Backup Time Stamp. I copy the header and paste it into the backup sheet. Now let's get into the script. Go to the Extensions, Apps Script. Delete anything in the editor and type this following script. You can find a link to the sheet and the code in the description. Okay, this is the code. The first function is onEdit. This function runs automatically every time a user edits the sheet. It checks if the edited sheet is main sheet. If you edited the first row, header, it ignores the change. If the entry ID cell is empty, it generates a new ID, fills in the timestamp in column F, and copies that full row to the backup sheet. If the entry ID already exists, it updates the matching row in the backup sheet to reflect the latest changes. The next function is Generate Entry ID. This function generates a new entry ID in a clean 3-digit format. It gets all existing IDs from the main sheet, finds the maximum value, and then adds one to it and returns it as a new ID. The next function is Copy to Backup. This function adds a new row to the backup sheet. Simply takes a row and appends it at the bottom of the backup sheet. The next function updates an existing row in the backup sheet. It looks for a row in the backup sheet that has the same entry ID. If found, it replaces that entry row with the updated one from the main sheet. If no match is found, it treats it as a new row and adds it to the backup. The last function is onChange. This function runs when something changes structurally, like a row is deleted. It checks if the change was a removed row. It compares all the entry IDs, main sheet and backup sheet. Okay, that's it. You can find the link to the sheet and the code in the description. Now I save the code. The next step is adding two triggers. So I go to the trigger, clock icon in the left side, and add first trigger. onEdit. From a spreadsheet, onEdit. And save. For the next one, onChange. From a spreadsheet, onChange. Give all permissions that it needs. Now let's test it. Add a new row in the main sheet. The ID and timestamp will be filled in. Okay, now open backup sheet. The row is copied there. Now let's edit the value in that row. It updates in the backup too. And that's it. You will build a smart Google Sheet with automated backups and tracking. No manual copying and pasting required. You can find a link to the sheet and the code in the description. And that's it. You built a smart Google Sheet with automated backups and tracking without no manual copying and pasting and just by using AppScript. If you want the link to the code and also the sheet, you can find it in the description and in our website. If you're interested in Google Sheets and also automating using AppScript, this playlist is for you. As always, thanks for watching. Have a good time.